fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's crucial for every fitness journey: staying motivated. Whether you are just starting out or have been on this path for a while, we have got some fantastic techniques to help you stay on track and keep that motivation soaring. So, let's get started. 1. Set clear goals. First things first, set clear and achievable goals. Outline what you want to achieve in your fitness journey, whether it's losing a certain amount of weight, building muscle, or improving your overall endurance. Having well-defined goals gives you a sense of purpose and direction. 2. Create a vision board. Visualize your success. Create a vision board with images, quotes, and affirmations that represent your fitness goals. Put it up somewhere you'll see it every day, on your bedroom wall, your fridge, or even as your phone's wallpaper. It's a powerful reminder of why you started this journey and what you are working towards. 3. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is incredibly motivating. Keep a fitness journal or use apps to record your workouts, measurements, and any achievements. Looking back at how far you have come can be a real boost during times when you feel like giving up. 4. Mix up your routine. Staying motivated can be tough if your workouts become monotonous. Spice things up by trying new exercises, exploring different fitness classes, or joining a sports team. Variety not only keeps things interesting, but also challenges your body in new ways. 5. Find an accountability partner. Having an accountability partner can work wonders for motivation. Team up with a friend or family member who shares your fitness goals. You can encourage each other, celebrate successes together, and provide support when things get tough. 6. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Set up a reward system for yourself, such as treating yourself to a new workout outfit or enjoying a guilt-free cheat meal after reaching a milestone. It's essential to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. 7. Focus on the journey. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Embrace the process of getting fitter and healthier. Celebrate the small victories, the setbacks you have overcome, and the lessons you have learned along the way. 8. Positive self-talk. Keep that inner dialogue positive. Replace any negative self-talk with uplifting affirmations. Tell yourself that you are capable, strong, and worthy of achieving your fitness goals. Your mindset plays a significant role in staying motivated. There you have it, fitness warriors, techniques for staying motivated in your fitness journey. Setting clear goals, creating a vision board, tracking your progress, and finding support are just a few strategies to keep that fire burning. Remember, staying motivated is a continuous process, and it's okay to have off days. Just don't let those moments define your entire journey. Stay consistent, stay positive, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your workout buddies. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more fitness-related content. Until next time, keep pushing, keep sweating, and keep crushing those goals.